OEM number 67F-45551-00. This pinion gear from ICE Marine is a precision-machined lower unit component designed for Yamaha 4-stroke outboard engines from 75 to 100 horsepower, including F75, F80, F85, F90, and F100 models produced roughly between 1999 and 2012. Featuring a 13-tooth design, it plays a critical role in transferring rotational power from the driveshaft to the forward and reverse gears, ensuring smooth and reliable propulsion. Manufactured from high-strength marine-grade metal, it is built to handle high torque, continuous operation, and harsh marine environments, making it ideal for gearcase repairs or complete lower unit rebuilds. This pinion gear directly replaces and interchanges with Yamaha part number 6, D9-45551-00, 6D9-45551-00-00, and 67F-45551, offering OEM spec fit, balance, and performance. ICE Marine is based in Taiwan and specializes in premium aftermarket marine products you can trust. For more information, visit iceboatparts.com, email seller at icemarine.cc, or contact us on WhatsApp at +88 69 6646 8632.